blend it. Oh my god. I'm over it. You and I. Hey guys, it's Alyson and welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to film this video for today. Oh shit. For today's video, I'm gonna be trying to do a full face with my mom's makeup. And so I mentioned this to my mom. I was like, hey, I'm gonna be needing your makeup for a little bit. And she says, why? And I said, I'm doing an experiment. So here goes my beautiful face. Alright, now that I look like a garbage can, let's get started. So honestly, I'm not gonna lie, my mom's kind of killing the makeup game. And like, I guess I kind of taught her something in life. She's taught me a lot, so I guess I taught her something. You know, she has like the classic younique stuff and arbonne stuff. I haven't taught her too much, I just kind of tell her where it goes, you know? So she actually has this primer, it's an arbonne primer, watch out. I don't even think she uses this because I had to dig in the other drawer to find this. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually kind of a nice primer. Okay, so primer is done. I'm feeling pretty confident about it. I know my mom doesn't fill in her eyebrows. She just doesn't take the time to do it. She doesn't like it, so that might be a little bit of a problem for me. So, foundation. She has this CoverGirl BB cream. What the hell is this? Okay, oh no, this is not gonna be fun. And then she has, oh, Avon is the other one. So she has an Avon color corrector cream. She has this younique mineral touch foundation and the BB cream. I'm pretty sure she uses the BB cream because this wasn't even shaken up. You know how the like oil and the foundation separate? Yeah, that's what that looked like. So let's go ahead and just use the BB cream, and I'm 100% positive that she uses her hand to blend it in, so. Oh man, I haven't done this since middle school. I'm just not ready to blend this in with my hands. Like I'm not, oh my god. Here we go, lassie. In the arms of the angel. Ew. Ah. It's actually kind of my shade. I'm actually kind of feeling this shade right here. It's not gonna give me a lot of coverage, which I mean is fine, I know that, but Mom, why do you use a BB cream? Maybe I did put a little too much. It's like not soaking into my face. So she asked me last night, so why did some girls on YouTube videos put their eye makeup on first and then their foundation? I put my foundation all over my eyes, so why would they do that? Like, Mom, you know, cause like fallout and stuff. She's like, what's fallout? I feel like, it makes me feel like oily. Ah! Oh, this is her brow thing I told her to get, but she doesn't use it. Okay, I guess she doesn't use a concealer at all? Mom. So the powder that she uses is Avon. Oh. Oops. So she doesn't have any concealer, so we're not using any concealer. We're just going in with powder. This was my brush. So I'm just gonna go in with my powder brush and just do that all over my face. We're gonna move on to brows. Here's this Maybelline Brow Drama in soft brown. She's used it, I know, a few times, but she's not super crazy about filling in her brows. Okay, let's go ahead and try to use this. I'm scared. Am I doing it? Did I do it? Is that all that comes out? Ow, this hurts. Oh, that's actually like not too bad, I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad. This is hard. Oh my god, I need to get her new brow stuff. Oh my god, my brows look terrible. That's the best it's gonna get. They look so scratched. Next, let's do a little bit of eyeshadow. I know she wears more neutrally colors. I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl quad here. And I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow brush that she took from me. So I'm gonna go in with this is more like a light pinky tone. I'm just gonna put that all over the eye. It looks like I just took some sugar and put it on my eye because it's like shimmery, but it has like no color base whatsoever. This is also mine. What the frick? So I'm gonna go in with this angle brush, and then I'm gonna use the darkest color in there and just do a little bit of hollowing out and just to define my crease a little bit. Just putting a little bit of a crease color in here just to deepen my eyes a little bit. Yes, girl, work it. For a little bit of a highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle color, which isn't even shimmery like at all, but I guess I gotta work with what I got. In the inner corner, oh, that's actually not bad. I know my mother lives for blue eyeliner. She lives for it. She has this one from Younique. You can tell, like, She uses blue eyeliner. If you can't tell that she uses blue eyeliner by this, I don't know what to tell you. And I hate crayon. I just hate it because I feel like, you have to keep going on and on and on and on and you barely get anything. See, I just gotta keep going. Oh yes, we're living. Oh, here's a brow liner. Oh yeah. There, I can make like a line now and make it clean. What's actually nice about this pencil, it comes, you know, the end with like a little mini spoolie, so you can, oh, that's a little better. It's good. This is going great. Another freaking razor, mother. I like more higher end mascaras because they just do better for me. I know she doesn't curl her lashes, but she uses the Falsies by Maybelline, the Colossal one by Maybelline, and the Great Lash by Maybelline. So she just, you know, puts that shit on there. She just coats it, does her thing. She just goes for it. And that's pretty much it. That's what she does. So now I'm gonna go in with Great Last Lash of Lashes, but this one actually, I love this one just because of how it's shaped. It's really good for the bottom lashes. I'm just gonna go over the top too, why not? Okay, so now I know she loves her blush and I'm gonna use the Avon Smooth Minerals one. So, oh my god, no. I really screwed that one up. Okay. I gotta match it. I gotta match it. The blush I use is more of like a pressed blush, so it's not powdery, because powdery is like really hard to work into your skin. Color and highlight kit. Look at her. Oh my god, I can use this one. Okay, I'm gonna use it. I know she doesn't use this for a fact, but this is actually pretty good stuff. She has contour stuff, which I'm pretty sure was mine back in 9th grade. Yeah. Wet and Wild. Woo. I'm gonna start with my forehead first. Okay, seems a little dark. This brush is not good for blending in. Oh my god, what is happening to me? I'm really not putting that much on, but the brush is just not letting me blend it well. Blend it. Oh my god, I'm over it. So my mom definitely, again, lives for these Superstay Color 24 Hour by Maybelline. No lip liner or anything. Okay. Alright. I'm not really a pink person for my lips. I'm just not crazy about it. I'd rather go with no lipstick at all. This is it. I'm pretty sure I got everything. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed because I don't think I'd ever do this again. I look orange. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and sometimes Friday. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post. I really need to take this makeup off right now. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!